Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Trust Wallet seed phrase. First, let's understand what a seed phrase is. It's a unique 12-word sequence that acts as your master key, providing complete control over your cryptocurrency assets. Think of it as the ultimate backup for your wallet. Keeping it safe is paramount, as anyone with this phrase can access your funds, and losing it means permanent loss of your digital wealth. We'll guide you through finding it easily. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. Once the app is open, look for the settings icon, which is typically located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access the main settings menu. From there, you'll see an option labeled Wallets. Select this to proceed. This section displays all the cryptocurrency wallets you currently have set up within the application. Now, within the Wallets section, identify the specific wallet whose recovery phrase you wish to retrieve. Next to your chosen wallet, you will see either 3 dots or a small information icon. Tap on it. This action will bring up more options for that particular wallet. Select Show Recovery Phrase and be prepared to enter your passcode or biometric authentication to confirm your identity. This security step ensures only you can view your phrase. After successfully viewing your 12-word recovery phrase, the most critical step is secure storage. Do not take a screenshot or store it digitally. Instead, carefully write down each of the 12 words on a piece of paper. Create at least 2 or 3 physical copies and store them in separate, secure locations like a safe or a locked drawer. Remember, this phrase is your ultimate key. Never, ever share it with anyone, even if they claim to be support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.